Are you looking for a new phone but don't want to waste your money on expensive ones? You don't have to give up as much as you think when on a budget. Surprisingly, many phones come with at least one or two top features. To make sure that you're getting the most bang for your buck, take time to distinguish which features are must-haves and which ones can be negotiated in order to save money. Carefully consider whether you require a great display or if you prefer an improved camera. Do you need an extended battery life? You can prioritize that to save money in other areas. Once you're aware of what is important for your needs, it'll be easier for you to select and acquire the budget phone that meets those requirements. Hello and welcome to Tech Pineapple, and in this video we are going to show you our top 3 picks for the best budget smartphones that offer great features and performance at an affordable price. Let's start. Number 3. Nothing phone. The Nothing phone that is going to be released this year is rumored to be the new flagship killer. According to the first report, a Snapdragon 8 series chipset is likely to be found in this device when it's released during the second half of 2023. It's impossible that we could get an upgraded Plus version similar to last year's announcement of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 being unveiled in May. This chip will be combined with an impressive 12 GB of RAM and a minimum 256 GB internal storage and the smoothest 120Hz OLED display. Additionally, it's powered by a 5000 mAh battery that'll keep you connected for hours on end. Although there's no confirmed price at this point, this second phone from the Nothing brand is rumored to cost around $400. 2. Realme GT Neo 5. If you don't like waiting for your phone to charge, then the new Realme GT Neo 5 is the phone for you. It puts fast charging to shame for using the word fast. With its 240-watt fast charging feature, the GT Neo 5 is one of, if not the fastest charging phones in the market right now. According to Realme, the GT Neo 5 can get its 4600 mAh battery fully charged in just 9.5 minutes. The rest of the phone is not to be underestimated. It has a 6.74-inch OLED display with a high 144Hz refresh rate, and it's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. The main camera is 50 megapixels unit that uses Sony's IMX890 sensor, and it has a second 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera. The selfie camera uses a 16 megapixel Samsung sensor and has a hole punch design in the center of the screen. If you want a phone with ultra-fast charging that fits your budget, then the Realme GT Neo 5 should be in your shopping list. The price starts from $360 for its 8 GB of RAM variant. 1. Xiaomi Poco X5 Pro 5G. The Poco brand has pretty much become a byword for smartphone value, offering strong specs and competitive performance at a low price. The Poco X5 Pro comes equipped with an impressive 6.67-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, the latest Snapdragon 778G processor, a triple camera system with a 108-megapixel main sensor, and a robust 5000 mAh battery that is capable of 67-watt wired charging support, all in one slim 7.9mm body. Following in the footsteps of its predecessor, the Poco X5 Pro 5G has a near identical design to that of another one of Xiaomi's budget brands, the Redmi Note 12 Pro. You can get the 6GB of RAM and 128 storage variant starting from just $358. This is truly one of the best budget smartphones that you can buy in 2023. These are the top 3 best budget smartphones in 2023 according to us. No matter what your budget or needs may be, you can find that perfect smartphone without breaking the bank. You just have to know what to look for. What do you think about these phones? Which one is on your shopping list? Or maybe, do you have another phone in your mind? Tell us in the comment section down below. Please press the like button and share if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tech reviews videos. See you at the next one.